Alright, I'm going to go over a couple of the questions that some of you had and send it out, see what you guys think, see if this helps out at all. So again, I'm going to pull out the worksheet and talk about some stuff. Alright, when you take a look, a couple people asking questions about this F bill. Alright, if you take a look, the F is the strength of the magnetic, or the force you experience, excuse me. B is the strength of the magnetic field. I is a current, and L is a distance. So this is, for example, if you have an electrical current traveling through a wire. The current is the I. The B is the strength of a magnetic field offered by that current. L is not the length of the wire. L is the distance that a charge is away from the wire. So for example, if you see the first line of this text, if that's your wire, and then if my cursor is a charge, then this distance separating the charge from the current in the wire is L. F would be the force experienced by this charge as it is brought near a current carrying wire. And B would be the strength of the magnetic field that wraps around the wire. Second thing has to do with the right-hand rule. Hold on a second here. So again, if you take a look, if you imagine your right hand, so when you look, you got your palm that's going to face in the direction of the magnetic field. So if the magnetic field is going towards you, then you see how my palm is coming towards you. So you have to look at the symbols in the textbook to identify if the magnetic field is coming, for example, towards you, like out of the paper, or away from you into the paper. Your fingers point in the direction that a charge is traveling. And then, of course, your thumb indicates the direction that the magnetic field is trying to exert a force on that charge. This is for a positive charge. Alright, so when you're following a right-hand rule, it's for a positive charge. If you're dealing with an electron, you flip the solution. Alright, so when you look at the question right here, you have a charge that's traveling from point A to point B. So look in the text and find out what do these x's represent. And so as the charge travels, which is an electron, as it travels from A to B, is it going to go straight through? Is it going to curve up, curve down? Or what is it going to do? So you have to be able to apply the right-hand rule to the situation to answer that question. Hope this helps, and I'll see you guys here in a couple days.